Hello friends, welcome to the Fundamental Pharmacy. Again, I have come up with a new video for you. In this video, we are going to discuss how to prepare for NIPER 2021. You know that recently GPAT 2021 result has been announced, and I would like to congratulate all the students, those who have qualified and they have got rank. So first of all, congratulations to you. Those students who are not qualified, don't feel sad. This is not a last exam of your life. Most of the students would have been qualified, but as this year cutoff was very high, it is up to 186. So that's why a lot of people, a lot of students, they are not qualified because of this high rank. So don't feel sad for yourself and just move on. और आपका जो भी स्टडी किया है आपने वो जाया नहीं जाएगा, कहीं ना कहीं तो भी वो स्टडी आपका काम आएगा. सो डोंट फील सैड, इट इज नॉट अ लास्ट एग्जाम ऑफ योर लाइफ. सो दोज स्टूडेंट हु हैव क्वालिफाइड in GPAT 2021 and those who want to prepare for NIPER 2021. So this video is going to be very useful for them. So it's my request to you, please watch the complete video. How to prepare NIPER 2021. First of all, we will see in this video introductory part, criteria for NIPER exam, then pattern of NIPER exam. Then we will see how to prepare, what are the important subjects and what are the important topics, what are the different NIPER guides. We will also see that, and then we will discuss some important points regarding NIPER and we will conclude our session. First one is your introduction part. So first of all, you should know what is NIPER. So NIPER is nothing but your National Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research. Okay, so it is also a exam as like a GPAT. So GPAT is for all over India, but this NIPER is for only for NIPER institutes. Okay, so NIPER institutes, they are not like our ordinary pharmacy college. They are extraordinary pharmacy colleges. Okay, so you might have seen IITs. So IITs are the best for engineering. So in case of pharmacy, NIPER are the best institute for the study. Okay, so you can consider NIPER institute as an equivalent institute of IIT. Okay, so NIPER means what? NIPER means National Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences and Research, and this exam is conducted every year as like a GPAT. ये हर बार NIPER का एग्जाम कंडक्ट करते हैं हर साल, लाइक GPAT आपका जैसे होता है उसी तरह से NIPER का भी एग्जाम होता है. तो किसके लिए होता है? Is conducted every year for the admission of your MS Pharma, M Pharma, M Tech or Pharma MBA, various postgraduate pharmacy courses like MS Pharma. MS means Master of Science in Pharmaceuticals. M Pharm is also there. M Tech is also there. MBA, Pharma MBA is also there. So NIPER Institute will offer these courses, these postgraduate courses to you, like MS Pharma, M Pharma, M Tech and Pharma MBA. Okay, so this is NIPER. So normally applications for this exam they are announced in the month of March, April every year. But due to this coronavirus situation, this year it might be delayed. As in case of your GPAT, it was a very much delayed exam. NIPER also might be delayed. But normally NIPER they used to announce the forms for NIPER after the GPAT result. So you might expect within next 10 days or next 15 days they will announce the NIPER exam applications for the NIPER exam. Okay, so normally applications are announced in the March, April month of every year, and exam is scheduled in the May or June of the every year. Okay, so now we will see what are the different NIPER colleges. So first of all we will see what is eligibility criteria for NIPER. Okay, so ऐसा नहीं कि कोई भी आके उठ के जाके NIPER दे सकता है, तो उसके लिए भी कुछ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन होते हैं. Okay, so what is criteria, what is eligibility criteria for NIPER? First of all, you should be GPAT qualified. If you are GPAT qualified, then only you are eligible to write the NIPER exam. Okay, so you must have GPAT qualified and valid scorecard. Okay, then second thing, you must have completed your B Pharm. If you are in a final year, you must have your result in your hand. Then only, अगर आपके पास रिजल्ट नहीं है तो वो एडमिशन नहीं देंगे आपको. ओके, सो अगेन थर्ड विल बी you should have first class, at least first class in your B Pharma. You must have first class in your graduation. Then only NIPER will give you admission. तो आपको फर्स्ट क्लास होना, सेमेस्टर पैटर्न इज देयर और एनुअल पैटर्न इज देयर, डजंट मैटर. You should have first class for your B Pharma. Then only you are eligible for NIPER admission. Okay, so you must be GPAT qualified. You should have valid scorecard, and you must have graduation with first class, means B Pharma with first class. Now we'll see different NIPER institutes. As you can see on the screen, there are different NIPER institutes like NIPER Mohali is there, NIPER Ahmedabad is there, NIPER Hyderabad is there, NIPER Guwahati, Kolkata, Raebareli and Hajipur. So these are the different NIPER institutes. Okay, so most of the students, they used to go only in NIPER Mohali, Ahmedabad and NIPER Hyderabad. These three, top three, NIPER Mohali, Ahmedabad and Hyderabad, these three institutes are very much important, because you see in these three institutes they have pretty good labs. They used to conduct a good research over there. Okay, so these NIPER Ahmedabad, Mohali, Hyderabad, okay, these three are very important. So if you want to get admitted in these three, you must have a good rank in the NIPER. So NIPER Mohali, NIPER Ahmedabad, NIPER Hyderabad, these are the three topmost institute in the NIPER. Okay, then NIPER Guwahati is there, Kolkata is there, Raebareli is there, NIPER Hajipur is there. So most of the people they don't used to recommend these two colleges, NIPER Raebareli and NIPER Hajipur. Okay, these two colleges most of the people they don't used to recommend it. तो आपके लिए ये तीन कॉलेज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. कौन से? NIPER Mohali, NIPER Ahmedabad, NIPER Hyderabad. ठीक है, इनमें अगर आपको एडमिशन लेना है तो आपका रैंक बहुत ही अच्छा चाहिए. व्हाट इज द पैटर्न फॉर NIPER एग्जाम? Okay, what is exam pattern for NIPER exam? So exam pattern. So NIPER exam is also a computer based test. It is also like a GPAT test. Okay, but here in case of NIPER you will have 200 MCQs. You will have 200 MCQs and 2 hours time will be there. Each MCQ will carry 1 mark, and there will be again 0.25% negative marking. Means if your one question is correct, you will be given 1 mark. If your one question is wrong, then your 0.25 mark will be deducted. Okay, so there is also 0.25% negative marking, but here remember 200 MCQs are there. Okay, and time is also less by 2 hours as compared to GPAT. Then the level of questions will be from BPharm and MSc relevant field. The level of questions means what will be the syllabus and from where the questions will come. So the questions will come from BPharm syllabus and MSc relevant field syllabus, because they are also offering the courses for MTech and MSc, few courses MSc and MTech. That's why they will ask few questions from MSc and relevant field also. Okay, in the paper few questions will be from the general aptitude. Again, in case of GPAT you will not have aptitude questions, but in case of NIPER you will have aptitude questions. Now we will see how to prepare for NIPER. What are the different important subjects for NIPER? Okay, so again here your pharmaceutics is there, pharmacology is there, other subjects are also there. Okay, so in case of pharmaceutics, what you have to read? So pharmaceutics means your all subject including pharmaceutical engineering, physical pharmacy, biopharmaceutics, industrial pharmacy. Okay, this pharmaceutics you have to read pharmaceutics from following books. So most important book is Leon Lackman, Industrial Pharmacy by Lackman. That is one of the most important book. So okay, so most of the questions will be from Leon Lackman as it is. Okay, one line questions will be there, and as it is question they can ask from Leon Lackman. Then again most important book for NIPER preparation is Remington's Pharmaceutical Sciences. Remington Pharmaceutical Sciences ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट बुक है. इसमें से बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन आते हैं. तकरीबन 40% पेपर तो एक ही बुक में से आता है, रेमिंगटन फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंसेस. ठीक है, सो ये अगर आपने बुक पढ़ लिया तो बहुत सारा क्वेश्चन कवर हो जाएगा आपका. सो रेमिंगटन फार्मास्यूटिकल साइंसेस इज आल्सो वेरी मच इंपॉर्टेंट बुक, एंड यू कैन कवर ऑल द बायोफार्मास्यूटिक्स फ्रॉम योर ब्रह्मनकर बुक. ओके, बायोफार्मास्यूटिक्स बाय ब्रह्मनकर. Then for physical pharmacy you can read Physical Pharmacy by Martin or C.V.S. Subramaniam. And for pharmaceutical engineering, obviously C.V.S. Subramaniam is the best. Okay. Then from pharmacology you have to read the pharmacology from K.D. Tripathi, Satushkar Bhandarkar, Pharmacology and Pharmacotherapeutics. Then review of pharmacology by Sparsh Gupta and Garga. So these three books are recommended for pharmacology as per as NIPER pharmacology is concerned. Okay, then for chemistry, so it is very important. In the NIPER chemistry is very important. Okay, so NIPER में तो वैसे सब कुछ important है. So from chemistry you have to read the chemistry from Morrison Boyd and Ball and Ball. Okay, अगर आपको Morrison Boyd का लैंग्वेज समझ में नहीं आ रहा है तो आप Ball and Ball chemistry, ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री बाय Ball and Ball, तो ये रेफर कर सकते हो. नेक्स्ट मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री. मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री you have to read from medicinal chemistry by Patrick or medicinal chemistry by Kadam Mahadik Bothra. This is nothing but the Nirali Prakashan book, Kadam Mahadik Bothra, authored by Kadam Mahadik Bothra. Okay, so that is also one of the good book and it is enough. Okay, as far as the medicinal chemistry is concerned. So Kadam Mahadik Bothra is also good. ये भी ठीक ठाक है. इसमें से आपको मेडिसिनल केमिस्ट्री कवर हो जाएगा. ठीक है. So you have to read analysis part from analysis, instrumental analysis by Chatwal or instrumental analysis by Skoog. Okay, so you have to read is analysis part from these two books. And okay, then from other subject like biochemistry you have to read from Satyanarayana. Again biotechnology you have to read from Satyanarayana. See, in case of GPAT there will be no much questions from biotechnology, but in case of NIPER they will ask you the question from biotechnology because NIPER में जो इंस्टीट्यूट होते हैं वहां पे बायोटेक्नोलॉजी का कोर्स होता है, एमटेक. ठीक है, तो बायोटेक्नोलॉजी से क्वेश्चन आते हैं, तो यू हैव टू रीड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी फ्रॉम सत्यनारायण और देयर इज आल्सो वन बुक नोन एज सीके दुबे. ओके, सो बायोकेमिस्ट्री, बायोटेक्नोलॉजी, these two are very important for NIPER exam. Okay, each and every subject is important for NIPER exam. Okay, then anatomy physiology you have to read from Ross and Wilson. Okay, then pharmaceutical jurisprudence you can read from B.M. Mittal and N.K. Jain. And for pharmacognosy and pathochemistry you can read from Gokhale Kokate, that is Nirali Prakashan, or if you want to read you can read from Trees and Evans. Okay, and there is another book known as Valleys, pharmacognosy by Valleys. So you can read pharmacognosy from these books. ठीक है. Now we'll see the next point. What are the books recommended for NIPER? So सबसे बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन हो रहा है बहुत सारे बच्चों को, और बहुत सारे बच्चों ने मिलने वाला है सर NIPER के लिए प्लीज एक वीडियो बनाइए. तो what are the different NIPER guides available in the market? Okay, so what are the important NIPER guides? So first of all, if you have fundamentals of GPAT written by myself only, so that is one of the most important book, because you will have a lot of questions from this fundamentals of GPAT and GPAT crack ratio, because these books are prepared keeping a viewpoint in mind that GPAT, NIPER, all pharmacompetitive exams. So particularly for GPAT and NIPER, these two are very important. Okay, then again there is one special book known as NIPER Explorer. Okay, there is also one book NIPER Explorer. It is also one of the good book for NIPER and it is written by Mr. Amit Verma. That is also one of the good book for NIPER. Then again you will have a NIPER companion for NIPER by Nazma Inamdar madam. Okay, so either you can read this NIPER Explorer or Inamdar madam book. It is enough. Okay, but you should read at least these books for NIPER: Fundamentals of GPAT, Crack Ratio, and NIPER Explorer or companion. Okay, then again previous year questions. It is very important. You have to read previous year questions. You have to see previous year question. आपको previous year question भी देखना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि आपको idea, you will get an idea about the level of question. Okay, so previous year question and test series. So few test series also very important. So after all NIPER के लिए आपको fundamentals of GPAT पढ़ना है, Crack Ratio पढ़ना है, और any one NIPER Explorer या फिर NIPER Companion, ये दोनों में से कौन सा भी एक, और ये बुक्स पढ़ो. एक तो ये पढ़ सकते हो आप. अगर ये नहीं पढ़ना है तो जो लास्ट स्लाइड में अपन ने देखा था हर एक सब्जेक्ट के लिए जो रेफरेंस बुक रिकमेंड किए थे मैंने, सो यू हैव टू रीड फ्रॉम दोज रेफरेंस बुक. आइदर यू कैन रीड ऑल द कंटेंट फ्रॉम रेफरेंस बुक और यू कैन रीड फ्रॉम दिस NIPER बुक्स, और आइदर यू कैन रीड फ्रॉम बोथ अगर आपके पास टाइम है तो. Now we'll see the next point. Now we'll see what is the difference between NIPER and GPAT. Okay, so most of the students they will have confusion. So what is the difference in GPAT and NIPER? Okay, so in case of GPAT you will have 125 MCQ and 500 marks, and it will be 3 hours paper. Then for correct answer plus 4 marks is there, For wrong answer, -1 is there. But in case of GPAT, what happens? In case of GPAT, the level of questions will be a little bit complicated. So the questions will be from all the level. One-liner questions will be there, two-liners, some complicated questions will be there, 1 to 4-liner questions will be there. So in the case of GPAT, they used to ask the question by twisting and turning. Okay, so they will twist the question, they will turn the question, and then they will ask. This is not going to happen with NIPER. So in case of NIPER, you will have 200 MCQs and 200 marks. Okay, so for each correct answer you will have 1 mark, and for each negative answer you will have -0.25 mark. Okay, so but the level of questions will be straightforward. In case of NIPER, आपको NIPER में straightforward क्वेश्चन आएंगे, 1-liner क्वेश्चन आएंगे, या फिर ज्यादा से ज्यादा 2-liner क्वेश्चन आएंगे. So question will be straightforward, deep enough, बहुत deep आएगा क्वेश्चन, straightforward आएगा. So straightforward questions will be there, 1 or 2-liner questions will be there, deep questions will be there. Then few questions will be from aptitude, then few questions will be from numericals, and few questions will be from pharma current affairs, few questions will be from research thrust area of NIPER. Okay, so we will discuss it again in the next slide. Okay, NIPER में आपको स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन आएगा, डीप आएगा क्वेश्चन, एप्टीट्यूड बेस्ड सम क्वेश्चन आएंगे, न्यूमेरिकल्स की भी क्वेश्चन आएंगे, करंट अफेयर के, पर्टिकुलरली फार्मा करंट अफेयर के क्वेश्चन आएंगे, रिसर्च जो थ्रस्ट एरियाज होते हैं NIPER के, उसमें से क्वेश्चन आएंगे. वो ठीक है, तो अपन नेक्स्ट स्लाइड में देखते हैं कौन से एरिया है थ्रस्ट एरिया. So now we'll see what are the important points. So what are the other important points you must have to remember if you want to prepare for NIPER. Okay, so few questions will be there from current affairs, like recent Nobel prizes. जैसे recent Nobel prizes होता है, जो लास्ट ईयर में Nobel prizes हुआ था, तो उसके ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन आ सकता है. ठीक है, then recent development of vaccines. अभी ये कोरोना का जो प्रकोप हो चुका है, whatever is the corona crisis was there, so they can ask the question from that also. 100% there will be around 2 or 3 questions on coronavirus. Okay, whether coronavirus is RNA virus, DNA virus, what is the RT-PCR technique, what is the diagnosis, okay, like that, what is the incubation period, what are the symptoms. You can ask the question, which company has developed the corona vaccine first. Firstly, पहले कौन सी कंपनी ने कोरोना वायरस वैक्सीन निकाला है, कोविशील्ड किसका है, कोविशील्ड वैक्सीन किसका है, ऐसा they can ask. So recently approved drugs, so US FDA recently approved drugs कौन से है, उसके ऊपर भी क्वेश्चन आएगा, and their respective diseases. ठीक है, तो ये थोड़ा एडिशनल है, एडिशनल देन GPAT. ओके, सो अगेन few important questions will be there from NIPER thrust area of research. ओके, सो हर एक NIPER के जो इंस्टीट्यूट होते हैं, NIPER के इंस्टीट्यूट में वहां पे रिसर्च चलते रहता है. ठीक है, जो रिसर्च चलता है वहां पे उसके अकॉर्डिंगली भी क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं. जैसे वहां पे एंटी ट्यूबरकुलर ड्रग का रिसर्च चलता है, एंटी लेशमेनियासिस ड्रग का रिसर्च चलता है, फॉर्मुलेशन डेवलपमेंट चलता है, लिपोसोम्स, नैनो क्रिस्टल, NADS, लाइकेस, वेल ड्रग डिलीवरी सिस्टम. सो दे कैन आस्क द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस NIPER thrust areas. Okay, so ये तो I have listed few areas, but if you want to see all the areas, you can visit the NIPER websites. Okay, different NIPER Mohali website is there, NIPER Hyderabad website is there, NIPER Ahmedabad is there. So if you visit these 3 websites, you can get easily what are the areas of research. Okay, so you will get that. Then again, in case of NIPER, see the most important point. In case of NIPER, your rank is important. Okay, in case of NIPER, your rank is important because there are only few seats. There are only 900 to 1000 seats available in. If you want to get admitted in NIPER institute, then you must have rank less than 900. अगर आपका 900 के अंदर रैंक है तभी आपको NIPER कॉलेज मिलेगा. ठीक है, लेकिन फिर भी अगर आपको टॉप के कॉलेजेस चाहिए तो उसके लिए आपको और भी रैंक कम लाना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, सो यू शुड हैव रैंक बिलो 500 इफ यू वांट टू गेट ए गुड NIPER. So for example, if you want to get NIPER Mohali, then your rank should be below 200. You should have rank below 200, or rather than 200, you should have rank below 170. Then you will get NIPER Mohali. You will get NIPER Ahmedabad and then Hyderabad. So last admission will be in the Hyderabad up to rank 500. NIPER Raebareli, then NIPER Guwahati is there, NIPER Kolkata is there, NIPER Raebareli is there, NIPER Hajipur is there. Okay. So most of the students, they don't go for NIPER Raebareli and Hajipur. most of the students they will prefer a first 3 institute, Naipur, Mohali, Ahmedabad and Hyderabad. This was all about the Naipur, and if you have any more doubts, you can call me directly, or you can discuss with me on WhatsApp. Thank you very much for your time. Anybody wants these fundamentals of GPAT and this GPAT Cracker Achiever book, because these books are very important for Naipur also, and you can expect around 40 to 50% paper from these books. In this Cracker Achiever book, very important questions are given. In the fundamentals also very important. It is very important book. It is the essence of different reference book. Okay, so if you don't have time to read reference book, you can read from this book. Okay, and if anybody wants these books, they can WhatsApp me this number. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and best of luck for Naipur. Prepare well for Naipur. आपका प्लानिंग करके स्टडी कीजिए, आप थोड़ा सा एग्जाम के प्रीवियस ईयर के पेपर भी देखिए, और जैसे मैंने बोला है कि आपको कौन सा बुक में से पढ़ना है ये पढ़ लीजिए। और नाइपर में कैसा रहता है, नाइपर में बहुत घुमा फिरा के क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे, आपको स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन आएंगे, डीप क्वेश्चन आएंगे, और जितने भी एरियाज बोले हैं मैंने उसमें से ही क्वेश्चन आएंगे। ठीक है, आपको कोई हेल्प नहीं करने वाला, नोबडी इज गोइंग टू हेल्प यू जब तक आप खुद से प्रिपेयर नहीं करते। ठीक है, बहुत सारे क्लासेस है, क्रैश कोर्सेस है, बोलेंगे ये करो वो करो, लेकिन कुछ भी करो, ज्वाइन करो क्लासेस, लेकिन जब तक आप खुद स्टडी नहीं करते आप रैंक नहीं ला सकते। ये लिख के देता हूं मैं बॉन्ड पेपर पे, क्योंकि मैंने ऐसे स्टूडेंट देखे जिन्होंने कभी कोई क्लासेस का मुंह भी नहीं देखा, लेकिन वो आज नाइपर से एमएस हो चुके हैं। पर्टिकुलरली गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मेसी, जो भी महाराष्ट्र में गवर्नमेंट कॉलेजेस है, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मेसी कराड़, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मेसी औरंगाबाद, गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मेसी अमरावती, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ नागपुर, ये जो कॉलेजेस है, स्टूडेंट फ्रॉम दिस कॉलेज दे यूज्ड टू सेल्फ स्टडी, दे यूज्ड टू गेट गाइडेंस फ्रॉम सीनियर्स एंड दे यूज्ड टू डू सेल्फ स्टडी एंड दे यूज्ड टू गेट ए वेरी गुड रैंक। इवन बहुत सारे बच्चे मेरे भी नाइपर में स्टूडेंट्स है। दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट द नाइपर 2020। थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो प्लीज इसको लाइक कीजिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर कीजिए, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए एंड बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए, ताकि जब भी मैं आपको अपने चैनल पे नया वीडियो अपलोड करूं, यू विल गेट अ इंस्टेंट नोटिफिकेशन ऑफ दैट। ठीक है, थैंक यू वेरी मच।